Hi guys, my name is Paz and I'm going to tell you how to make one of these. This is an envelope that we can put ice cream and anything you like, and like popcorn and stuff like that. So, the thing is how to make it. We have to use paper, scissors, double-sided tape and normal tape. First, we have this paper and we fold it like this. It doesn't matter if it is the wrong way around. You just have to fold it like a normal thing. Look, I made it wrong. I made it a little wrong, but it doesn't matter because it has to be like that. So now we're going to fold it a tiny bit like this. Fold it like this. There you go. I folded it on there and like a triangle, and then I fold it like this. Fold like that, and then I have to fold it a tiny bit the other way, and then voila, I made it like this. One there, and one there, and then it becomes like this, a triangle and like this. So now we're done with the first part. Now we can fold it like this. To fold it very gently, nothing can get ripped. If it gets ripped, no mind. We can just use another paper. There you go. It has to be the same length. After that, there you go. I did it. Now we have to use the double-sided tape and put it like this, and then we cut it with the scissors a little bit at a triangle, and then put this down, and then we can stick it at the right bottom. Can you see? Right here. So I stick it down here. I stick it there, guys. So then, after that, you can peel it off a tiny bit. Peel it down. Gently peel it. You have to very seeing it, your eyes open. Very gently. I peeled it off. Now, we can stick it, okay? So we stick it like that. And there you go. I stick it with the paper. Now, I use the normal tape to take a piece, and then I need two of these. So one, count with me, and two. And voila, an envelope. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.